Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I am so in love with these glass teapots. Look at this one. This is a 950 ml teapot. Now it's smaller than the other ones. Look at this. Look at this one. It's square. It's the same handcrafted glass with the stainless steel. If you take all of this off and you've got coffee left in there or tea, you can put that into the microwave and you can heat it up and then pour out your tea or your coffee. Now, this is such a fine, fine mesh. It says that you can use it for coffee. Now, even when you use loose tea, you will get some tiny little bits going into the liquid. Now, this was the larger one. I think this one was a litre and a bit. It totally escapes me the amount that's in. These two are slightly bigger than this one. Great on the shelf. They look great. And this is the other one that they have. And it's square. It's small. Now, there's no little basket handle in here like this one. This one has got this little basket handle for taking this part out. But this one doesn't. And neither does that one. So I do prefer that insert. But this insert will actually fit that teapot. Just about. The other thing with this is the whole thing is the lid with this one. Where this one, it's separate. It's separate. And I think that's a lot better because I think that you can pull that out so much easier with that little grip than taking this one as the whole thing as well. That one, it's the whole filter. Now, was that one in there? Are these the same size? Oh, they fit. I think it was that way. That's it. That can't be bigger. That must have went that way. That must be a bigger, slightly bigger lid than that one. There we go. But this is so pretty. So what I'm going to do, I've used tea, herbal tea, because it's herbal tea that I drink. I don't normally drink normal tea. I've got my cup ready with some milk because I like milk in my coffee. I'm going to try my ground coffee in this. Now, I forgot to bring a spoon with me. I haven't got a spoon, but I'm going to use that and put some of my ground coffee in here. Now, I've had my kettle boiling. I'll put 2 heaps in. That's going to be enough to make. I'll just go with a little bit more. That's going to be enough to make 1 cup of coffee for me. I'll put my coffee aside. I'm going to get my teapot. Now, I'm going to use my little resin coaster that I made with my crochet in it. I've got a video on my channel with that. I'm just going to set that there. I did find out that the wooden one for this is when you take the lid off, or if you take the little basket out. That's what the little wooden disc was for with that one. So I've got that on a coaster. I'm going to get my hot water. It was boiled water and it's been cooling down for about 5-10 minutes or so. You don't put boiling water into ground coffee. And I'm going to pour that through slow. Oh, it's filtering really well. Now, these teapots will take cold as well. So you can either have it with hot to make tea or coffee, or you can use it with ice water and make cold drinks if you want. Now, I'll just let that seep through. Is that about a mug? A little bit more, I think. There we go. I'll just let that filter through. I'll put my lid back on. Now, there are holes in it to let the steam out. The handle, you can see how steamy that is. It's warm up here. It's going to be hot there. I'm not touching that. But the handle is not hot. The handle's not hot at all. Now, it has all my water a little bit to seep through, but I think it's because it's sitting underneath there. And look at that. That's cool. So I'm going to pour my coffee out. Let's see how it goes. Oh, I didn't make it strong enough. Certainly didn't make it strong enough. It's still drinkable. Pour my coffee out. I'm going to just give my coffee a little stir. Now it should be stronger for me. Oh, it's yummy. It's yummy. It's filtered it almost perfectly. I should have made it stronger. I should have put more in there. But not everybody likes strong coffee. But look at this. I'm going to keep that on there because it's still hot. That is so pretty. And I can still hold that. No problem whatsoever. It's nice and comfortable to hold. It's not heavy either. Completely non-drip. Look at that. There's not a single drip on there at all. They're all like that. All of these teapots are non-drip on the spout. You can put tea, coffee in them. You can make iced tea in it. You can make iced coffee in it. You can take it straight from the refrigerator. You can put it, take all the metal off. You can put it in the microwave. Even makes a nice jug as well. Now, you can put them in the dishwasher, but it is more recommended that you actually wash it by hand. Just, you can either use some baking powder if you take the tea stains off, or you can just warm soapy water and then just wash it. This one came with a little scrubber. This one came with a little bit more. I think, personally, I really like it that that comes away from there rather than having to take. Do you know, I think I've got these around the wrong way. No, I haven't. I'm wondering if I've put. That's not. The only thing with this one, I feel as if. I think it's because I haven't got it clipped on correct. That's better. There. I had that's got two clips that hold them in. I've got these little metal clips, so make sure that when you put it on, that that metal clip is not here where the spout is, like I did, so it fits proper. Have it either side to click into place. Either side, one there, and there's one here. Don't have it here like I just did with that. So look at that, fits a lot better now, and that is so pretty. I really like that. I think these are cool. I love the shape of them. I love the style of them as well. The style of these is so pretty to your traditional teapot. Look at that. Who wouldn't like that on their shelf? Then you've got very modern with these two. These two make them very, very modern and very stylish. So if you needed a smaller one, this is a smaller one. And this is a little bit smaller, this one. This is 950 mils. I'll put some more in. Oh, that's better. That's a bit stronger. Let's pour that into my coffee. There we are. That's so much better. Should have did that in the first place, put extra coffee in. But look at that. So neat. No boiling, no percolator. Put your coffee in. You can even use instant. You can throw some instant in there. Make yourself a pot of coffee. If you don't drink it all, take the metal off and heat it up in the microwave. This is great, these teapots. I'm going to leave the links for the company underneath the video. So if you're looking for a gift, then try one of these Pluiesoleil teapots. I'll leave all the links that you need underneath the video and you can go check them out. Great for Mother's Day, even if you're looking for a nice Valentine's present as well, especially if your partner likes tea. If they like tea or coffee or fruit juice, then give these a try. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and please click on the bell icon and YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.